Digital scalpels and stethoscopes, the tech takeover in nursing school. Look, nursing is hard. You gotta be good at science, good with people, and good at not passing out when you see blood. Now add a whole bunch of technology to the mix. That's right, folks, the robots are coming for nursing school too. But before you picture a Terminator in scrubs, it's not all bad. Digital tools are changing how nurses learn, and honestly, it's overdue. Remember those dusty old textbooks? Yeah, those are going the way of the dinosaurs. Online platforms and simulations give students hands-on experience without, the risk of actually hurting someone. This tech isn't just for the students either. Faculty can track progress, personalize lessons, and even grade papers online. Okay, maybe not that last one because grading papers is the worst, and even robots deserve a break. But the point is, tech is making nursing education more efficient, engaging, and frankly more fun. And isn't that what we all want? Fun? No? Just me? Easier said than downloaded, navigating the digital library. So we've got all this amazing information at our fingertips, right? Online journals, digital libraries, research databases, you name it. But here's the catch, most of it is locked behind paywalls. It's like trying to get into a nightclub guarded by a bouncer who only accepts $100 bills. Even professors, the supposed guardians of knowledge, have to jump through hoops to read the latest research. But hey, at least we have open access journals, right? Those beacons of hope in the dark, paywall-ridden sea of academic publishing. The publish or perish pressure cooker tenure track tightrope walk. Let's talk about the publish or perish culture in academia. It's basically the academic version of the Hunger Games. Universities love to brag about their research output. It's all about rankings, prestige, and attracting research grants. Professors are under immense pressure to pump out publications. They're expected to teach, conduct research, apply for grants, and publish. It's enough to make even the most dedicated educator want to tear out their hair. Universities cash in, but at what cost? Following the money in academia. Now, universities aren't exactly innocent bystanders in this whole publish or perish game. They benefit from a culture that prioritizes publication. More publications mean higher rankings, which means more prestige and more funding. It's a cycle that keeps the academic machine chugging along. But here's the thing, this focus on publication can come at a cost. Professors are under so much pressure to publish that they may neglect their teaching responsibilities. Students might end up in overcrowded classrooms with instructors who are too busy chasing publications to give them the attention they deserve. And let's not forget about the exploitation of adjunct faculty. These are the academic workhorses, teaching a majority of classes at many universities, often for low pay and without benefits. They're the ones carrying the teaching load while tenured professors are off chasing publications and grants. Balancing act, juggling teaching, research, and that pesky publication thing. So, how do we fix this mess? How do we create a system that values both teaching and research without turning professors into publication-generating robots? Well, folks, it's complicated, but here are a few ideas. First, we need to change how universities evaluate faculty. Instead of just counting publications, let's look at teaching effectiveness, student evaluations, and contributions to the university community. Let's reward professors who are passionate about teaching and mentoring students. Second, let's give professors more time to actually do research. Reduce their teaching loads, provide more research funding, and give them the resources they need to conduct meaningful work. Third, let's address the adjunct crisis. Offer adjunct faculty better pay, benefits, and more secure employment. Give them the respect and support they deserve. Saving nursing, saving the world, why education needs a checkup. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the problems in academia. But here's the thing, nursing education is particularly important. These are the folks who are going to be taking care of us when we're old and gray. They're the ones who will be on the front lines of healthcare, dealing with everything from pandemics to chronic illnesses. We need to make sure nursing students are getting the best possible education. That means giving them access to the latest technology, the best instructors, and a system that values both teaching and research. It means creating a culture where professors are supported and encouraged to do their best work. So let's invest in nursing education. Let's create a system that supports both students and faculty. Let's make sure the next generation of nurses is equipped to handle the challenges of 21st century healthcare. Because, folks, our health depends on it.